everyone. In this video, we'll explain how to skip versions when upgrading your cluster on Google Distributed Cloud. We'll cover why you should do skip version upgrades and how these upgrades work with some examples. Before you continue, you should already be familiar with basic Kubernetes concepts, like the control plane and node pools. When you skip a version during an upgrade, you stay on a supported version for a longer time than if you upgrade it sequentially. You also perform fewer upgrades in total, which reduces your workload disruptions. Here's how that works. Google Distributed Cloud releases a new minor version every 4 months, and each version has a 1-year support window. So if you were on version 1.14 since January, you'd have to upgrade to a newer version in December. If you upgraded to the next minor version, in this case 1.15, you'd only have 4 more months before you'd be required to upgrade again, as the support window would run out. Instead, by performing a skip version upgrade, you can upgrade directly to 1.16 and stay on the support window for 8 months instead of 4. Skipping versions when upgrading a cluster involves upgrading the control plane sequentially and upgrading the node pools by skipping a version. This process takes the same amount of time as upgrading the cluster to the next version. This is because the control plane upgrade is quick, and each node in the node pools is only drained and recreated once. So you end up saving time. Let's look at a few examples. Let's say your cluster is currently running on version 1.28, with both the control plane and node pools on 1.28. You decide to skip a version and upgrade your cluster to 1.30. To do this, you'll have to upgrade your cluster in 2 stages. First, you'll upgrade the control plane, and then the node pools. Now, when upgrading your control plane, you can't jump directly to 1.30. You can only upgrade the control plane 1 minor version at a time. So you'll have to upgrade to 1.29 first, and then to 1.30. For your node pools, though, you can upgrade them directly to 1.30. Let's look at another example. In this cluster, the control plane is on version 1.30, and the node pools are on version 1.28. Note that at any time your control plane can be up to 2 minor versions higher than your node pools. So for example, if your control plane is on version 1.30, then the node pools in your cluster can be either at version 1.30, 1.29, or 1.28. In this example, they run on version 1.28. Now you decide to upgrade the node pools to 1.30 while leaving the control plane at the current version. To do this, you can perform a skip version upgrade and upgrade the node pools directly to 1.30. In this video, we've seen how performing skip version upgrades can reduce the overall number of upgrades you need to do, saving you the time it takes to plan, test, and schedule an upgrade. For more information, check out our documentation. Thanks for watching.